Hey YouTubers and friends alike, it's airplane312 here, and
Nomad AdVantures.
Here's part of the Miles City, north side of Miles City. So just take a little bit. Right now you're seeing Red Rock, the back of Red Rock. So just give.
Fan off to get fixed. To get the fuel pump fixed.
Yeah. So now, me and him are working. Almost got high.
Yeah. We have a hard life.
So if you're ever gonna start painting a vehicle, make sure you wear a mask, even if it's outside.
Yeah. Yeah, we definitely got higher than a kite last night when we were playing outdoors.
Lesson learned.
Yeah.
Don't do our mistake. You're gonna regret it.
Yeah.
So like and subscribe on both of our channels. Peace.